So class, in this video we will start our second chapter, that is fraction and decimals. You have already learnt about fraction and decimal in your previous class. It means that subtraction and addition of fraction. You know it very well, okay? So in this class we will extend something more about fraction and decimal, okay? So let's have a look. So I have made this PPT, okay? So it will help us to learn about fraction and decimals. So the first is introduction. What do you know about fraction? Okay, so how we can explain? Simply, fraction means what? It means you have to break something. Okay, you have to make a part. So simply you can say a part of whole. If there is a circle, okay, and you want to divide it, so you can say you have divided into half part. Okay, so simply you can say the part of a whole. For example, your daily life example about pizza. Okay, slices of pizza. Here it is 3 by 4. Why it is 3 by 4? If you have to say that this remaining pizza, so remaining pizza 3 by 4, and the pizza that have eaten, that pizza is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4 pizza already eaten, and 3 by 4 pizza is left. Simple. And if I shade this region, so you can say 1 by 2 is a shaded region, okay, and non-shaded region is also 1 by 2. And if I divide it into 4 parts, so now you can say how many shaded parts are there. Simply you can say there are 3 by 4 shaded part. So it is very simple, okay, to explain about fraction. Now here you can say about 3 by 4, it means 3 is your numerator and 4 is your denominator. It is clear to all of you. Now how you will represent fraction on number line? So if I say to locate 1 by 5, 1 by 5, it means what? 5 shows here that you have to divide 0 to 1. It means you have to divide 5 parts between 0 and 1. Okay, so you will divide it into 5 parts. Then you will write first is 1 by 5, second is 2 by 5, then 3 by 5, then 4 by 5, and then this is your 5 by 5. Okay, so if I told you, if I say to locate suppose 3 by 4, so again the denominator says us to divide the numbers like on number line, that 0 and 1 or 1 and 2. It means you have to divide it into how many parts? 4 parts. So first part will be 1 by 4, second part will be 2 by 4, third part will be 3 by 4, and this one is 4 by 4. Clear? It means this is how you will locate all the fractions on number line, and you all have done this in class 6. Okay, so you know it very well. So now let's see the next slide. Next is types of fraction. Again, you know it very well. A proper fraction is a fraction that represent a part of a whole. Something is missing here. You can say part of a whole. Okay, example 3 by 4. Simply you can say in proper fraction numerator is always smaller than denominator. It means you can say denominator is greater than numerator. Simple. Now in improper fraction you can say combination of whole and a proper fraction. How you can say? Suppose you have a number like the number is 7 by 4. Simply, so you can write 7 by 4 as 1 3 by 4. You know both are equal. How? If you have to change, you know this one is your mixed fraction. It is clear. And this one is your improper fraction. It means simply you can say when denominator is smaller than numerator, opposite to proper fraction. Okay, simply you can say the denominator is smaller than numerator. Okay, clear? And in mixed fraction you can say it is a combination of whole and a proper fraction. Okay, so this is how you can write improper fraction into mixed fraction, or you can write mixed into improper fraction. It is clear? These all the things that you have already done in your class 6. Okay, so we are just recalling everything. Clear? Now let's move. Now it comes to addition and subtraction of fraction. How you will add and subtract. Now the question is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. You know it, to adding fractions or to subtracting fraction, first we have to make denominators same. Okay, you can see 5 and 7 both are denominators and both are not same. So what we will do, first we will take the LCM of 5 and 7, that is 35. It is clear? Okay, now next thing what you will write, you will write here 35, and or you can say 3 by 5. One method is 3 by 5. You will multiply this 5 by 7, so you will get 35, plus you will multiply 2 by 7 by 5, so you will get 35. So here 21 upon 35 plus 10 upon 35. So your answer is 31 upon 35. So this is your answer. This is how you will solve. First you will take LCM to make denominator same, then you will make multiply it by, okay, then you will 35 is the same denominator, so you will take it as common, and then you will add the numerator and you will get your answer. Clear? Now let's see the subtraction. In subtraction, first you can see this is in mixed fraction, so first convert it into improper fraction. So what you will do, 8 into 2, 16 plus 1, 17 upon 2 minus 8 is a 24, 24 plus 5, so 29 upon 8. Now again you can say the LCM of 2 and 8 is, LCM of 2 and 8 is what? 8. So now you can convert 17 upon 2. You will multiply it by 4 in numerator also. Then minus 29 upon 8. Okay. So 17 into 4. You know it, that is 68 upon 8 minus 29 upon 8. Okay, clear? Now see, 68 minus 29. So what you can do, you can subtract it, 18 minus 9. So you will get 9, then 5 minus 2, that is 39 upon 8 is your answer. Now 39 and 8, I think they do not have any common factor, so you cannot simplify it, you will just write this your answer. If there is any common factor between these two numbers, so first you will make it in simpler form. Okay, so this is your answer. Now it is clear to how to add and subtract fraction. Now this is an example 2 of our book of NCERT book. Okay, this is of NCERT book. I will send NCERT book also in PDF form. You can download it. Okay. Now let's see. Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise while Seema solved 4 by 5 of part it. Who solved lesser part? Now here what you have to do, you have to compare the things. You have to do comparison. Okay. So what you will do, 2 upon 7 and 4 by 5. Again, to compare the things, first you have to make denominators same, or what you can do, you can just do cross multiplication. Okay, you know both methods. So first I will tell you about cross multiplication. If you do cross multiplication, so what you can do, you can multiply 2 into 5 here, and here 4 into 7. So this is 10, this is 21. This one is greater, so simply you can say this one is greater. Clear? Now comes to second method. In second method, 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. You know the LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. So what you will do, you will multiply it by 5 in numerator also. Yeah, the same thing multiplied by 7. Why? Because the LCM is 35. Okay. So 5 into 2 is 10 upon 35. And here 7 into 4 is 28 upon 35. Okay. Now you can simply say which one is greater, this one. So you can say 4 upon 5. So you can say Ramesh solved lesser part, because this is about Ramesh part. So you can say Ramesh solved lesser part. Clear how to solve fractions, word problem about fractions. Okay, how to add fractions, how to compare fractions, and how to subtract fractions. Okay, so after this we will move to multiplication, but before that let's solve the exercise of our NCERT book.